What's going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. I just want to do a real quick video on this app CoinOut. I've told you guys a lot about it, and I just really want to stress the importance of using this app because it's literally like free money. I mean, you see here I got $5.14, and that's all just scanning receipts. I had to block the top because my phone number shows, but just showing you how easy it is. Look, I scanned a receipt right here. I got 22 cents for that receipt. You know what I'm saying? That's the highest I've ever gotten. I think before that I'll get like 10, 15 cents, but 22 cents, that's the highest I got. And like I said, I don't really know how they determine how much you get, but that's why it's important just to scan every receipt you get. You know what I'm saying? 22 cents for that one, 6 cents for that one, 6 cents for that one, 3, 6. You know what I'm saying? I got more, but I can show you all, but I'm just showing you how easy it is. I mean, these are not any big money they're paying you per receipt, but it just adds up. And for me, it's added up to be so far $5.14 that I have in my account right now. I've literally made over $100 with this app, and it's just something you got to use. I mean, you can get paid with gift card, you can get it straight to your bank or PayPal, whatever you desire. But the important thing is to download the app and just scan every receipt. It is literally free money that you're throwing away if you're not making money off your receipts. All right, so I just want to show you that real quick. Just show you that you can get paid 22 cents for every receipt you get. You know what I'm saying? It's that easy. You know what I'm saying? These little 6 cents, these add up. It adds up really quick. You know what I'm saying? You'll be surprised at how many receipts you have. You just, scan them. All you gotta do is take a picture of it. Like, you see these pictures, all I do is take a picture of it and they credited me for it. Just like that. Very simple. And, you just cash out at $1 on this site. If you want to, you can, do a $1 gift card, $1 to your bank, $1 PayPal. It doesn't matter. For me, I like to let my balance stack up a little bit, but, it's just easy app to use. Probably one of the easiest apps out there. And I just want to, show you that real quick, just to show you that, you can get paid, a good amount of money just scanning receipts. So the link to this app will be in the description. Click on it, download it on your phone, your tablet, and start getting paid for scanning receipts, y'all. And always remember, every penny counts.